Hey guys, we received this Let's Live wool knee warmers for both men or women for test and try. So this is a wool thermal knee brace with an elastic fabric and a wool lining. So let me just open up this and show it to you. So you can see this is the main the wool fabric on the top like the sheepskin. So that is warm, comfortable, and this will come on your knee. So this is actually in a reverse side. So you can also take the different sizes one based on your size and then requirement. So see like a very soft material in here and the feel is also really good with the wool blend fabric on the top. So give a really warm feel. See you can just reverse and then see how this feel. So this is comfortable and easy to clean and wash fabric. And once you put on your knee, I really feel a good warm uh, temperature and also a good cushion on my knee. So it's a nice knee sleeve for the winters.